hostel in Palmerton, Pennsylvania. It's behind Bert's. The restaurant is over there. This is the back parking lot, but there's a beautiful little hostel here you can stay at. It's got a separate shower and sink and bathroom, which was very hot and definitely appreciative after yesterday's hike through the rain, which kind of sucked. Long day, 17 miles plus, and got to get a resupply today, Dollar General, and get back on the trail. So I'm at Bert's. Old school counter, very cool. Kind of an interesting town. A little old, but a little new. It's got a little houses on the street, and then right next to it is a building. Interesting. Old school buildings, House of Hunan, telephone company. Kind of interesting. I'm going over to the country Family Dollar, or the store. I got a resupply. Get back on the trail. Had a great breakfast at Bert's. I highly recommend it. Oh, wow, look at how cute. Yeah, that's cool. Definitely. Call Tracy at Bert's, or call Bert's and ask about the hostel. Great refuge for a day in Palmerton. Do it. Oh, and then there's the hills. I'll be on those hills later. Actually, I was just on that hill yesterday. I'll be going down further behind me. I gotta get a ride out of town, 2 miles. I think I'll thumb after I get my resupply. All right, got my resupply across the street at the Country Harvest, and thank you so much, owners of the Country Harvest, for free apple for hikers. Much appreciated, and great conversation with the folks inside. Very excited about hikers. So thanks, guys. Appreciate it. City Hall. It's got a young dude musketeer up here. Pretty cool sculpture. Chiseled looking dude. Pretty cool. Nice park right here too. Beautiful park. Christmas trees decorated. It's getting close to that time of year. Yeah, cool. Old chain bridge commemorates it from Lehigh Gap. Yep, it's no longer there. But Palmerton, see you later. Getting out of here. Nice park. Outhouses there. Veterans Memorial. And Christmas trees from the locals. Cool. So I had pizza from Tony's yesterday. It was good. Oh. So I got a ride right out of Palmerton by a lady who is the aunt of Tracy, I think, who owns Bert's. So she said, yeah, we see hikers hiking all the time, and we try to pick them up, and sometimes you go around the block and they're gone. Well, ma'am, thank you so much. Today you got one, and he's appreciative. Have a great day. Check it out. This is the bridge crossing Palmerton. There's probably the hill I gotta go up today, right there. I would imagine it's probably next. We'll find out shortly. I like the way the sun is shining off that river. It's cool. There's Palmerton over that way up the hill. It's up on the hill. You can see the hotel right there. make it. Some info about trail rehab and pest management. And of course, you come out of a gap. What do? You go up. Up on rocks. Here's today's wonderful view of rocks. And look at that. There's more rocks. This is what I'm not looking forward to. That stuff. Awful. Woodpecker Trail. Great use of aluminum quarter barrel. Excellent. It is, what is it? It is a perfect spring. Awesome. Time to camel up. Looks awesome. Looks better than what comes out of your kitchen sink. No chemicals. Yup. Right on trail. Right off the trail, old school shelter. Somebody left their glasses, bummer. I'll leave a note. Looks like somebody left a little trail magic over there. And yeah, yuck, lousy graffiti, but nice, cool textures. Custom weld on the fire pit. Nice. Passed the hiker this morning, which was cool too. Look at all the nails. Yeah, danger for mattresses for sure. Anyway, just gonna pass through. Nice. And full pack. Totally full. Extra water. And up. So thank goodness this is going on at the beginning of the day because, well, in early afternoon after a great breakfast at Bert's. And fueling up. Monstered up. And I just gotta go up. I got 7. It's noon. I should be okay before dark. As long as hell doesn't kill me. I love seeing the signs because it's what it means is. Oh, here, you can read it. That's a bypass trail going that way. It's nice and level. But the trail marker says AT to the right. I guess that's or left, like options. To me, what bypass trail means is you can't do it, and what's coming up is gonna be interesting. So let's see what happens. Who knows? I got a feeling it's gonna be interesting. Gonna be mostly overcast. You can kind of see what's going on out there. Right now I'm walking through some kind of prairie at the top of the hill. And this is the way the ridge lines work up here. Maybe there was a fire up here one day, or maybe it's just too rocky for trees to root up here, but you can see what it looks like in the winter. Kind of dismal. It's all right. Gotta find the joy in the day. I was telling the guy at the shop in town in Palmerton. Yeah, it's about getting to the end, finishing this hike, and being proud of that. Even though you couldn't keep up with the rest, someday if you finished, that's what I want to do. And I'm gonna, all the powers of the universe be by my side. I tried to spread good karma along the way, so hopefully that'll help me get through the irregularities of the Pennsylvania landscape. But right now, and today has been pretty good. Coming out of Palmerton going south, it's been all right. I mean, it's not crazy. Once you scale that hill Nobo's going out of Palmerton northbound, you're going to be into some rocks. So I don't know if I'm about to hit that going south or not, but we'll find out. I thought I'd be traversing like wolf rocks, like I showed you the other day up here, but it's like a prairie on top. And all the overgrowth has died, so it's open, so you can see stuff that people throw in the grass, like gator or something. That chair, slab Keystone chair above Palmerton. This big bald, or not bald, but flat spot. The whole top of the ridge is kind of blunt. It's good. Trail's not too bad. Just keep my eye on those pointies. Pointies. Whipping up on the ridge, 10 to 25 miles an hour. Nice view, but it's getting nippy. Need to get me some layer on, I think. Maybe I'll get up into the tree line. I don't know. It seems a little bare right here. What's up, man? This is some Dave hiking south from my flip-flop. So I went Georgia, Pine Grove Furnace, PA, and then I skipped up to Monson with several wonderful tramleys helped me along the way. But now I'm back on my own and just hopscotching with one last guy who's got a flip-flop too, named Optimistic. Great guy. I've been hiking south on the AT since my August 8th summit, and I'm slow, and I just can't keep up the averages because it smiles over miles for me. So I'm above the town, just south of Palmerton, Pennsylvania, and Pennsylvania is holding up true to its promise of being a Lazarus sadistic dominatrix of pain. I wish you and your viewers all a happy holiday season, and thanks for the tips that you gave through showing other people's journeys. Helped me along mine for this year. I'm almost done. I'm a 2,000 miler. I met so many cool people on this trail. it's guys like you with great information about others that helped inspire me. So happy holidays to you and all your viewers, and hike on, happy trails. Get out there for a day, get out there for a week, or get out there for almost a year. I started March 10th. And peace to y'all. Have a good day. Okay, so backing up to that bypass trail thing. This is the bypass trail. It's merging back with the AT. Maybe it was just because of the elevation change, because it wasn't crazy. It wasn't like the bypass trail going southbound into Palmerton was steep, especially in the rain. This one not so bad. So I'm back on. Going past a little cellular station tower and trying to crank them. Bang, bang, bang. Ricochet rabbit. Another beautiful stealth site. I'm not sure if this is official or not, but nice. Seating for 3 with the backrest on a table. Well done, whoever put that together. Nice. And some flat spots for at least 6 tents, probably. Yeah, good 6. I don't know if there's anything down the hill. I don't see any signs for anything, but there might be another tent site back there. But very good, very good, very good. Love it. Big rock right there. I'm kind of glad the trail doesn't go over it today, because it's going over all these little rocks that, oh, who knows? Sometimes slabs are better than these little rocks because they're less painful and you know you got more foot space to deal with than this. Fucking cranny. It's cool though. Big old rock formation back there. Oh, I can't see it so much anymore. Not all bad, PA, not all bad. Today was a nice day on the trail, mostly level, and 50% of the dodging rocks, which is good, because my feet are still recovering. Should be at the shelter in a couple miles. That's where I'm gonna stay for today. As you can see, we are in the land of the orange web spider. And it runs right along this power line. You know, they got the power line going, and you could even see how the spiders at the top of the other hill like to spin their web too. See it? It's gotta be, right? The orange web spider. There you go. Pretty much what it looks like. And then back out of the land of the orange web spider, you see just the boulders. The orange web spider likes to collect mulch and let some of the natives grow and create a rooting environment that prohibits erosion for, you know, as this area matures, the webs will disappear, hopefully. Hopefully it's made out of a substance that disappears, right? Like a natural material would, so that it doesn't have that orange glow forever amongst the cell towers and the power lines. Yeah, you know, you still got to appreciate it. What? All cynicism aside, the trail is still remarkable. Blue Mountain Eagle Club. Looks like they got this trail. I think the last section was good. Whoever did the maintenance there, they're working on it well. It's getting better. Compared to first crossing the line between Jersey and Jersey in the north part of PA, where it was a little worse than what it's been for the past day or so. So, happy about that. Just got her oldie, Bake Oven Knob. Bake Oven Knob shelter. It's so tiny and cute. It's got this nice fire pit. And there's the chain table. It's got asphalt shingles. Nice messages. Bake Oven Knob shelter. This is where my house is for the night. Yep, I think I might even do a fire. I think there's plenty of wood around to do it, and I got time. Cool.